Want to turn your crypto holdings in Trust Wallet into usable cash in your GCash account? Let's get started. First, open your Trust Wallet app and locate the cryptocurrency you want to transfer to GCash. Tap on it to proceed. You'll see options like send, receive, and swap. To send your crypto, tap the send button. To complete the transfer, you need to convert crypto to peso. Open your preferred crypto exchange that supports P2P. Search and copy your receiver's wallet address on the exchange site. Now, go back to Trust Wallet. Paste the receiver's wallet address you just copied into the recipient address field. Then, enter the amount of crypto you want to transfer. Next, carefully review the network fee. Ensure you are selecting the correct network compatible with the receiver's wallet address. Using the wrong network may result in loss of funds. Double-check all the transaction details on the confirmation screen, paying close attention to the recipient address and the amount. If everything is correct, tap the confirm button. After you have sent crypto on Trust Wallet, open the exchange and click the I have paid button. Wait for the bearer to confirm, then you can claim your money on GCash.